Hi, my name is Dima Rodenko. I'm the founder of SaaS Founders Community. I help founders of software development companies to create a sustainable flow of sales opportunities via LinkedIn. So I had several questions. There are not to be obsessive in LinkedIn, how often should we write to decision makers, and what size of the messages should be. Okay, so I'll reply in short to give you a brief understanding how it works. So the reply cycle in LinkedIn is different for every decision maker, but usually the bigger client is, the less time the person has to go to the LinkedIn and to consume content and to do the negotiations. So some people will reply you in 10 seconds, some will reply you in 4 weeks. So optimally now is to touch the person, to send a message once per 2-3 weeks. The bigger client is, the less frequent our touches should be. It's number one. Then when we speak about the language, it's very important because the language of the messages should be alive. So it should be like not robot to robot, but person to person, right? Of course, it should be engaging, because if it is not interesting for a person, if the person feels that there is no use in the messages, the person will not respond. So everything we'll do for nothing. So that's not the goal where we are going. We use LinkedIn to create a sustainable flow of sales opportunities via communication with the person, So, and if you communicate properly, if you communicate interesting thing that help people to solve their problems, to solve their business tasks, they will be grateful and they will be much more open to all the messages that you send to them. And besides that, the messages in LinkedIn should be short enough, because maybe a couple of years ago, we worked with a perfect native speaker. She was a master of science in philology. She was really good and very proficient in creating texts. And we gave her our text for a review, and she transformed all the text to letter-styled messages. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I would appreciate blah, 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 blah. Thanks you for your attention, sincerely yours, etc. It is not working in chat. In LinkedIn, we do the chat. So we chat with the people. So that's why it should be short, it should be alive, and it should be interesting. If you put all these things together, the people will reply. Usually it's normal if you have a reply rate from 5 to 10%. If you work with a certain very laser focused niche, and if your messages are about pain points that this niche has, and if you do it not in a pushing, not in a salesy style, if you do it naturally, like you communicate with a girl or with a person you would like to attract, so that's the same story. So keep it in mind. And besides, if you want to have the strategy how to work with the clients in LinkedIn, if you want to close more clients via this network, here below find a form. Please fill it in brief for us, just to understand who you are and what do you need, where are you now, where do you want to go. And after that, you can select a slot which is convenient for you to have a conversation, to have an appointment with our lead generation advisors. And our people will show you the possible way how to reach your goal. Then after that, you'll have a certain road, you have a certain understanding how it works. Then you can do it yourself. It's absolutely okay. Or if you want a financial guarantee, if you wanted to do it by professionals, please drop us a line and we'll find the way how to give you more leads with a financial guarantee of the results. So fill in the form and see you soon.